on there? Is it because I'm pink and I blend in? No. 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 Why? I'm down here. No, I can't. I got murder on my mind. She left me in the morning. I got walking on my mind. I need to go for a run. It just get me on my side. I need to go see that. I need to see that side piece. Can I please lick it? I need to see my side piece. Where she be at? Yo, where are you, dude? On. Alright, go to the vending machine thing. I bet, Daddy. All over. What do you mean by that? I want you to look me all over. I'm at the vending. Give me a sec.
Smack that ass.
Come back, I'm scared, Dad. Please come back, I'm scared.
Alright, come on. We gotta go back.
Daddy, I'm scared. Scared. Scared.
Alright, don't step on that landmine.
Come get me right now. Smash! Guyat! Oh, it smells nice.
Bananas and
No. Let's go to the straight path. Blueberry, let's go straight. Let's go to the straight path, Blueberry. Blueberry, let's go straight path.
no. I want more money.
Why?
Money.
Guys, I found a whole bunch of help. Yeah. I can walk on the bottom. I can walk on the bottom. Come on, I can't. I can't.
Should we jump?
Fuck.
Oh my god. Alright, hold on. Wait.
Okay. I was gonna say wait.
No.
I'm halfway up.
We're back at the ground.
Guys, report back to base. Report back to the lobby. Go back to where you came from. It's time to get rid of this boombox once and for all.
Alright, hold on. I gotta go grab that. Alright, let me actually...
I'm coming, pause.
Music. I can't hear music anymore. Dude, I was gonna attack it, bro. Alright, give me it. Let me get it. Can't grab it, bro. Chuck it again. Chuck it again. I'll be back.
Guys, call me back.
Hey, Boo Bear, I almost suck your nuts.
Will you shut up?
It's crawling at me now.